Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into ancient wisdom to help you navigate modern life. Today, we're on day 69 of our Stoic practice, exploring the importance of finding the right circle of friends. Imagine your mind as a garden. To grow beautiful flowers, you need to remove the weeds. Your friendships play a similar role in your mental and emotional landscape. Epictetus offers a profound insight on this. You must primarily pay attention to this question. Never associate with anyone from your former close ones or friends in the same way you used to. Otherwise, you will lose yourself. Let's break that down. Epictetus is reminding us that if we associate with the same people in the same way, our personal growth stalls. This isn't about arrogance or cutting ties with everyone. It's about consciously choosing who deserves your time and energy to help you become better. Take a moment to ponder this. Have you experienced moments where the people around you hindered your growth? Perhaps they unintentionally influenced you to stay within your comfort zone. This is where the wisdom continues. So choose whether you want to be loved by those who loved you before but remain the same as you were, or be better but not receive the same love from them. Indeed, growth and comfort rarely coexist in harmony. To develop as individuals, sometimes we need to step back from relationships that no longer serve us or align with our goals. It's a tough pill to swallow, but essential for true self-improvement. Let's draw from other wisdom that complements Epictetus's advice. Business coach Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Imagine if, instead of average, we aim to be the best versions of ourselves. Who are the people that will help elevate us? One of my favorite ways to illustrate this is to reflect on our deeply intertwined nature with those around us. Theognis of Megara said, "From the noble ones, you will learn noble things. From the wicked, you will ruin even the sense you possess." The people we choose as friends become mirrors of ourselves, reflecting either our potential or our flaws. Now, let's consider some practical steps to apply this wisdom. 1. Evaluate your relationships. List the people you spend the most time with. Ask, do they uplift you or pull you down? Are they supportive of your journey towards self-improvement? 2. Set boundaries. If certain relationships are too entrenched to be changed immediately, set boundaries. This could be as simple as reducing time spent together or redirecting conversations towards more positive topics. 3. Seek out growth-oriented circles. Join communities or groups that align with your goals and values. Whether it's joining a mastermind group, attending seminars, or participating in forums focused on personal growth, seek environments that encourage and hold you accountable for your aspirations. James Altucher, an entrepreneur and author, also advocates finding your tribe, a group of peers who push each other to be better. When you surround yourself with a like-minded tribe, they become partners in your journey, challenging and urging you to reach new heights. Remember Goethe's words, "Tell me with whom you associate, and I will tell you who you are." If we aim higher, we inevitably become better versions of ourselves. But it requires the courage to sometimes step away from those who love our former selves and move towards those who love the person we aspire to be. In conclusion, understanding and curating our circle of friends is not about elitism, but about intentional living. It's about being someone who strives for a better existence. Reflect on the people in your life and decide consciously, should you spend more or less time with them? As always, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. If you found value in today's discussion, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. Let's continue our journey of self-improvement and stoic serenity together. Until next time, this is Alexius Varro, reminding you to choose your friends wisely and live with intention. Keep thriving.